Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious omelette noodles. We'll cover everything from selecting the right noodles to perfecting your egg mixture. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a delightful meal that's both easy and satisfying. This guide will help you create a fantastic dish with ease, perfect for any time. Now, let's get cooking. First, prepare your noodles according to package directions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. While they cook, whisk your eggs with a touch of milk or water for a fluffier texture. Heat your pan to the right temperature, ready for the egg mixture. This careful preparation ensures a great foundation for your omelette noodles. This is where the magic happens. Pour your whisked eggs into the heated pan, letting them set slightly. Immediately, spread your cooked noodles evenly over the setting egg. Once the edges are firm, carefully fold 1/2 of the omelet over the noodles. Cook for another minute or two until the egg is fully set and golden brown. Your delicious omelette noodles are now ready. Carefully slide them onto a plate. Feel free to add your favorite garnishes, like fresh chives or a sprinkle of sesame seeds, for extra flavor and presentation. This dish is versatile and can be enjoyed any time of day. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.